What's really important in our industry is that we've only really got one solution, which is the HGV lorry to move parts on the road. Yeah? So we've got rail, we've got ships, we've got the air, but on the road we've got the HGV lorry. But we've still got the job to do. If we don't have another alternative to the man or the lady in the cab, what do? We can't deliver that solution to our customer. So we need to have alternatives, and this autonomous is an alternative.
So the project is to take what we've done on the 5G Cal project and really commercialise it. So it's a yard tractor vehicle, which is a vehicle which you'd see in ports and manufacturing sites. We take that vehicle and we retrofit it with our autonomy systems. So drive-by-wire, which means we can control it with a computer, and then all of our sensors which feed into the autonomous stack. We also have a teleoperation system which runs alongside that, so it means that somebody sat in the Vantec warehouse can kind of take control of the vehicle when they need to kind of help it in certain situations.
We're really here to look at how we commercialise this, so how we scale from one proof of concept to then have 3 vehicles running, undertaken or covered by a single operator or single driver based at the teleoperation rig. So initially we'll scale that out as 1 truck, we'll then scale to 2, have that driver covering the autonomous vehicle, taking over control as and when required, and then scale that into 3. So those 3 vehicles will run as part of the day-to-day operations of Vantec here. And then the other one is really taking the technology into these much more challenging routes. So then we're a much closer step towards commercialising these and taking them onto the public road.
So the future is really exciting for Street Drone. So for one, we're going to have a base up here in the northeast, which we're going to be using to test and deploy these vehicles. But really, we see this as the first commercial use case of autonomy, especially off-highway logistics. It's a big market, from distribution centres to ports to manufacturing sites like this. And it's one where we can really realise the benefits of autonomy in the near term. And that's what we're really excited about.
Well, to me, this is the start of what can actually be, as you say, the future. Prove this technology works, prove it's safe, prove it can do exactly what it says it can do, and then this is an opportunity, because in the industry that we're in, which is last mile logistics, there are many sites around the UK with thousands of last mile logistics activities every day. So they all become part of this opportunity if this is proved to be efficient and safe technology.